There are things that we can control in our lives, and there are things that we can't control in our lives. You control in your life when you wake up in the morning, when you brush your teeth, when you eat, when you go to work. Those are the things that you can control. You don't have any problem with those things. So controlling your energy is something you can absolutely control. Just like I can control, brushing my hair or shaving. I can control that. That's under my control. There's no cosmic force that needs to happen, for me to shave or brush my teeth in the morning or take a shower. But then you switch gears. What am I teaching you to do in this? I'm teaching you how to shift gears into the things of, I can't control. There's things that I can't control that are beyond control. So I have to shift gears and move into a higher dimension to let go of the third dimensional wanting to control. Because if I'm trying to make some business deal happen or change some relationship or something that's out there, that's beyond my physical control. I have to move into the energetic worlds. And in the energetic worlds, when you release on turmoil, it will move in high vibration energy. So let me repeat that. When you release the turmoil of a situation, you got something happening. You don't want it to happen. You wish it wasn't happening. What's going on there? Okay, you got a temporary blockage. You've got something that's clogging up your energy field and causing you anxiety or stress. Now, you recognize, okay, there's one thing I can't control it right now. I can't control it in the physical world, not like brushing my teeth. So what I have to do is I have to move into the energetic worlds, release the process and release EPR, the anxiety, the stress, the worry, the doubt from it, and then focus on what I want to have happen and be at peace with that. That's one of the key things to manifesting that we're going to be going over here in June. We're going to be going over how do you manifest stuff? Well, you have to know these principles first before you start manifesting. There, in the world of duality, there are things you can control and there are things that you can't control. And the wisdom is knowing the difference. If you're stressed upon, am I stressed? I didn't brush my teeth. Am I stressed about it? Does it bring me any stress? No, because I can control it. But if I have a situation that's in process that's stressing me, who's stressing me? The low vibration energy. That's bringing you the stress about whatever condition. You think about something that you're stressed about right now. If you don't have peace with it, it's the low vibration energy messing with you. What if this happens? What if that happens? What if this happens? Oh my gosh. So now that's got control of you. The thought of, oh no, what if this happened? What do? We EPR. Wanting to control it, we EPR any anxiety and stress, and we get back to right here, right now, all is well. And then after we release the anxiety about it, and I taught you guys how to do it, we'll do it again today. Once I release, okay, I'm released on it. Okay, now how do you want it to work out? Good, okay. So the key technique to moving in the higher dimensions is, could I say yes to allowing it to work out even better than I thought it could, than I think it could? Well, the mind doesn't like that. Well, wait a minute, it means I can't figure it out? Trying to figure stuff out that you can't figure out is the number one source of anxiety and stress. I'm going to repeat that. Trying to figure stuff out that you don't know the answer to, or trying to control something that you can't control, is the number one trick of the LVE to get you into stress and anxiety. You clean it, you clear it, you allow the high vibration energy to do its work, and then you sit back and you do whatever comes next.